so I didn't create this logo that I'm about to edit. Let me open up my Photoshop. So this is how you want something to look nice like this. This is the first sample or whoever, I don't know. And this is the logo. It's not too bad, it's just only like the little white shadow under the flag, so I'm gonna remove that, and it does look a little unsaturated, so the green in the flag and the red looks kind of flat. Just gonna pop up the colors a bit. Let me check the resolution. It's 72, so we're going to put it to 300 to increase some more detail. Automatic preserve details. It's a high resolution now. It's a higher resolution. You know, I love this tool, so I'm just gonna go in here and trace around the label. The design that I'm gonna do with this, I'm definitely not gonna use this kind of white outline. This drop shadow kind of thing. It's kind of alright if I go in there a bit, you know, but like perfect selection. Take a black sample from there and alright, so oh shit, cancel, the wrong move. So I guess it's gonna remove the outside now. Let me see how good it removes the black background. Not bad at all. Could work with that. We're gonna create back a background, but at least with this time the logo is on a layer. As you can see, the logo is on the layer now. It's not flattened or baked into the design. Open up the levels and try to correct these colors. Put on some hue and saturation. Gonna edit the reds. Reds I want to pop more. And the yellows. And the yellow pop some more too. Yeah, let me check. Okay. So that looks like it. So we're gonna flatten everything there and put this, convert this as a smart object. I'm gonna save this as a PNG. PNG format is with the transparent background, so that when you drag this logo on another graphic project, you would see the, instead of seeing the white, you would see it transparent like that. The gray and white boxes behind the logo is only to alert you or to show that the background is actually transparent or see-through. So I put Vita logo. Export that. So wait, let me check to see where I saved it. Save it on the desktop. Okay, yes. So we finish.